Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Sofia Shakira binti Abdul Hafiz. I'm from DKM 3A and my matrix number is 23 DKM 19F 2022.
Hi, my name is Kavin Raj. My metric number is 23 DKM 19F 2006 and I'm from class DKM 3A.
So this is presentation art welding. Introduction. Art welding is a type of welding process using an electric arc to create heat to melt and join metals. A power supply creates an electric arc between a consumable or non-consumable electrode and the base material using either direct DC or alternating AC currents. Objective: to perform on the welding techniques and understand importance of arc welding. Define the problem that occurs on the arc welding. And third, recognize the type of metal, electrode, and tools that are used in arc welding. Number 4, recognize types of arc welding and step to create the arc welding. Number 5, to know safety measure when use the welding machine along the welding process. Safety precaution. Wear safety equipment such as head shield, glove, and apron, safety jacket before start welding. Number 2, do not watch the ultraviolet rays pattern when welding. Make sure to use a head shield to cover your eyes. Number 3, carry out a comfortable area and where the good welding will be done away the flammable material. Number 4, do not disturb other students that are still working. Number 5, do not use tools that we do not recognize.
Today I am going to talk about the work procedures of arc welding. Okay. First, cut the iron rod into 10 cm pieces and each student get two pieces of it. Clean the surface of the metal plate with wire brush before welding. Mark the point where you wish to begin your weld on the metal plate. Select the appropriate electrode with the type of your work. Adjust the electrical current between the electrodes as suitable for the particular size 80 to 90. Welding on a flat surface and the angle between the electrode and the object of work is between 15 to 30 degree. The metal plate has two surfaces, so on of surface do a welding line in 3 lines, while another surface do a welding woven in 3 lines also. Then strike an arc with long scratching motion of the electrode across the workpiece. Finally, of the weld, quickly lift the electrode away from the workpiece. The electrode was dropped from the holder and put on the electrode holder. Wearing clear shield on the welding helmet chip away the slack on the weld bed. After completed all the above process, make sure to tidy up your work table.
Discussion. As a discussion on my work is, by using high current, the electrode melt faster and molten powder will be excessively large and irregular. It will also leave a groove in the base metal along both sides of the weld and therefore undercut will occur. Effect of high current. Spatter occurs in large drops alongside the weld. Bead is too wide, too thin and undercut at edge. Flux melts too rapidly, runs off the top of the weld. If the current is too slow, there is not enough heat to melt the base metal and the molten pool will be too small. Effect of low current during weld. Inadequate penetration or weld weak weld. Difficulty in striking arc. Arc goes out often and difficulty in maintaining the arc. from my welding techniques is that the speed that I use is too fast. As a result, the molten pool will be thin and irregular. This will also lead to lack of penetration where shallow fusion happens between weld metal and base metal. Conclusion, the objective can achievable to do the practical welding. The student must have skill to do the welding, use the knowledge and understanding of the theories, and also welding techniques are applied in the practical welding. The practical tasks have been complete and the report will accomplish to prove the student can do the practical task of shield metal arc welding.